But beep beep.
What is so funny? Ian, aren't you going to dance for me? Can't fall.
Ow!
Careful.
Ow! Bucket.
You're Buckethead. Ow!
Ow! Let me get there.
Ow! Ian! Do you do that, Ian? No. Then why are you doing it?
Because I like. Because I like. What do you do?
Really?
This fit my head.
It fits your head?
No,
What's on it? I can't even see it.
it's a bed. Yeah. I don't like my.
Ian,
What?
are you supposed to kick that around?
Yeah, I think it's right.
What is it?
It's a helmet.
So, interesting theory. What's that?
A transformer.
A transformer?
Yeah.
What transformer?
Bumblebee.
Is it?
Yeah.
What's a transformer, Ian?
It transforms and saves the day.
It transforms. What's it transform into?
A robot.
What's it transform out of?
A car.
A car?
Yeah.
What color is that car? What color is Bumblebee?
Orange and black.
Cool. Who are the other Transformers?
I can't see.
Really interesting names.
Yeah.
Ian, what are the other Transformers' names?
Optimus
Okay, and
Decepticons.
and what are their names?
Ironhide and Bumblebee and Decepticons. And
What about
Megatron.
Megatron?
Yeah.
What about, is there an Optimus Prime?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you like him?
The sticky foot with the stick.
Oh no. Oh no you don't. I'm going to get you now. You better hide. I'm going to get you if you don't hide.
Oh yeah.
I guess you're not hiding. Why do you keep hurting yourself?
Can I see what he did?
What'd you do? Do it again.
No, I want to see on your camera.
What do you say?
Please.
With
Cherries on top. Cherries on top.
You have to go hide first. Found you. Oh, well, no, I didn't. I had to go find Ian. Is he under the couch? Is there an Ian under there? Nope, no Ian. I think he went downstairs. Oh, no, he went in his bedroom to take a nap. No, he's not in there. Okay, Ian, what do you want to do?
Look at that.
Look at what? What's this called?
Up. A camera.
A camera?
Yeah.
What am I doing right now?
Look at me.
Looking at you.
Taking pictures.
I am taking pictures. Do you know what I'm doing right now?
Yeah.
I'm taking a video of you.
Daddy.
You know what that's called?
Do what?
This is called a video camera too. It's called camera, and then you can record Ian doing silly things. Like spinning around and dancing. And laughing. So do you want to watch your video?
Yes.
Say, can you say, can I watch my video, please?
Yeah. Watch my video, please.
Watch your video, please. What about watching your video?
Yeah.
Say, can
Can
I
I
watch
watch
my,
video?
what do you say? You're not going babble to if you don't say the magic word.
Abracadabra.
Wrong magic word. What do you say when you want something? To your teacher or your mommy?
Please.